All right. So tonight we're going to review again for what we pick up, right? So we try to bring the second internet from Comcast, right? Remember?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So let's see what we have done last time, right? So let's say show run in here section just for quick refresh here. BGP. We look at the configuration. Show run section. Oh, BGP. No way. I didn't save it. Oh, no. I think we only. Oh, no, okay, hold on. I think we believe only Comcast and Google, right? We didn't do this one yet. Is that right?
Right.
Let's verify Comcast. So let's BGP summary. Show IP BGP summary. No. Oh, come on. Really? I thought I saved it. The config. How about in here? Show run section BGP. Ah, yeah, we do have in here. So I just wonder why we didn't save it. That's interesting. We lost the configuration, you know? Okay, so go back to Comcast again in here. So, Comcast, let's double click again. Show run section any router BGP. All right, I think we lost it. Okay, sorry about it. So, so it means we have to start over again tonight. All right,
Uh,
but it's good, you know. We just practice again, okay? Just refresh, okay? All right.
okay.
Yeah, we have no choice now. See in here, or maybe say we are learning from mistake now. See, so we we are junior. Let's say we are junior network engineers. Okay, but last time, oh shoot, no, we did a lot of thing, and then we forgot to save it. That's just very like you can say embarrassed, right? All
Mm-hmm.
right, so not big deal. Let's quick in here. Let's do it now. Okay, let's go back again. So we are in the okay. Since we're in the contest in here, right? So just quick in here. Show IP interface. First, make sure we have a show IP interface. Um, yeah. See, we saved the configuration of the IP, but then we missed the last part. You know, it's okay. Let's do quick in here then. So config in here router. Just quick in here router BGP. So what we want to use the AS number. I forgot from last time. We just let's say review from Verizon, right? What Verizon have? So we don't want to use the not that one. I want last time we find the give example is from the like remember like looking glass like that like Cogent we looking glass we look at the what is the Verizon the AS number, right? So in here let's see in here quick and show run router BGP. Let's see what is a Verizon AS number. Okay, so if Verizon used the AS number 12345, all right. So maybe do we have a 45678? Let me see. Do we have a? Let's do quick in here. Let's go to Google. Let me show BGP. Show IP BGP. Do we have any? Okay. So we did have 45678. So this is originate by 64. That is mean from our internet router, right? So I believe, see, if we go back to our internet router, when you show run quick in here, show run section, BGP, say router BGP, and then you can see the AS number in here is a 456 beautiful. You see? All right. So we go back to here again. Yeah. Yep. See here is originate by 45678. That is here. So we're going to pick up like maybe we don't have anything in here, so maybe we pick up from 789 or 9. Hmm, how we want to do that? Okay, let's pick up easy, right? Okay, let's pick 55555 in here. Okay, it's not big deal, right? Just for demo. So okay, so this is for example, this is belong AS owned by AS Comcast, right? The BGP AS number owned by Comcast. We just pretend, right? We pick for our demo lab in here. So 55555. So we hit enter. All right. So we straightforward in here. So we're going to be say we have a neighbor, right? So we have a neighbor. What is the neighbor IP address? So we're going to pick up the 6881. This is the 6881.201 dot what we want to do in here, because we want to pick up 8 in here, so this say 7. Let's pick up 7 in here, the host. Okay, so we oh no, not this one, this is advertise. See, this should be remote, right? Should be remote AS number. So what is the Google AS number? So let's click in here. So we pick up this as Google. We're going to make a BGP pair with Google. Okay, just hit enter. All right, so we're going to say if you want, you can put quick in here, description again. This is the BGP, something like that. See, connect to Google. Okay, so now we have one. So now we're going to do another one. Right, so we're going to do another one. It's a 68. That is a 81. That is the 1.7. Okay, so we no, that is dark 6. Okay, we're going to be 6 because this router is 7. So we're going to enable remote AS. So what we want to do for here. So we don't have yet in here, right? So no, we can use the same AS number because we own the AS number. So let's go back to what is our AS number in here. So we're using the 45. This is our AS number. Okay, so let's go back to the Comcast again. So we're going to pair with our inside our Internet Router 2 is like a facing direct connect to Comcast, right? So okay, so put like this in here. So that's we put the description again. So description, this is BGP connect to say this is connect to our internet router. So just like you can put the host name in here if you want, right? Just copy from the topology. The host name is in that too. Okay, so that is a so far so on in here, right? So now show IPBGP brief. Do show IPBGP brief. Okay, so now we have a two network, right? So we have a two public network. So anyway, let's do say if we want to advertise this network, because that is the private, right? So it's just make sure that like for outside they know how to return to the Comcast, right? So that is the purpose, not that we need to advertise. So we have a two network in here. So 81.201.0 mesh 255.255.0. And then we're going to be repeat again. This should be in our facing our inside. It should be .1. Okay, so we have a network now. Send it out. All right. So now we show IPBGP. So we have a two prefix. You see. But in this time, I'm going to just write it first. Confirm. All right. So make sure that I save it. Okay. So now go to Google. Click in here. So now we're going to be config key in here. We're going to be a router BGP for 15169. Hit enter. So we're going to be neighbor. We're going to be remote AS. With not put the IP address first. The IP address should be 68. Wait, do we have hold on. Before we do this one, let me do show IP in the free brief first. Make sure we have IP address assigned yet. So we don't have assigned IP address yet. See here. All right, so that's mean this interface in here. Okay, so now we have to exit out here first. So let's do quick in here. This is the interface facing to Comcast, and then we're going to be the IP address in here. So what this should be 68.81.201.8, 255.255.255.0. Okay, so you can put the description in here. This is connect to Comcast ISP, something like that. Okay, then we're going to agree. We're going to be manual. We don't want to be auto negotiate. So we're going to put speed 100, duplex. Okay, duplex full, and then we're going to be saying no shutdown. Okay, so now this interface is up. Okay, just confirm again the contact. Do we have a contact? Make sure we have the interface also in here. Is okay. So oh, this is wrong. See, because otherwise it's a oh no. This is okay. This is last time we need to fix it, right? Because yeah, this is max up in here. See, let's fix it quick in here. So F0/0. We want to fix this one. This should be 7, right? So IP address in here. So we're going to copy this one in here. We do quick. This should be 7. 255.255.0. Okay, and then okay. See something in here. See, give us some error. This is good. See, okay. Is this is error or not? Oh, BGP is up. It says, send to the neighbor. Okay. Oh, it's a wrong AS number. Look at that in here. So this is another, it's good, it's good. See, this is another demo for you. See, we're learning, see, something we misconfiguration. See, between in here is not happy. It's fine. We come back, we fix it, right? So right now, first thing I want to make sure we have a correct IP address assigned in the interface. So let's go back to here first, interface, because we just missed one. This one, I rather have IP address 68.81.7. So because I want to be matched the host IP the same. You see, did I miss something here? Oh, I missed one in here. I missed the one. Yep, duck 7. Okay, so now we'll go back to here again. Show IP BGP. No, not show IP. Show IP interface. Show IP interface brief. You see? All right. So now we have a straight. We strike it out now. We make a correction, right? So this is make sure that that is the expect. No, like we would like to have 7.7, and then the Google should be 8.8. All right. So now Google in here, let me see, show IP interface brief. Yep. So we have a 8.8, and then Comcast is 7.7. So then we configure as a 6. Let's just jump quick in here first. Let's see. Hold on. Interface brief. So now this one, see here is a see this what that mean in here. Now this is another troubleshooting. This is a good message error. Okay, look at that. DUP is mean is IP duplicate. IP4 duplicate. Okay, what that means is that it means some in the network they find out another device is using the same IP. You see, the source by the MAC address, blah blah blah. So this is a good for you to learning also. You see, by look at the console here, the log, and then it show you. See, this is what is the error. What does that mean? Here is like a duplicate IP address. That is mean. You see, is because we have to fix it now. Otherwise, it's like both device only can have one IP address. Otherwise, they're going to be fight like this. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so no worry about it. We know that because we changed the IP address around in here. That's why we got maxed up in here. So let's fix it now. So we go to the F0/1. Okay, we're going to IP address, so we're going to turn off. Okay, so once I turn off this one, and then this go away, so the message is going to be shut. It's going to be shut up now. it's going to be quiet. So we're going to be 6 in here. So and then 255.255.255.0. Okay, now no more complaint. So I can say shutdown, no shutdown in here. Okay. So now we're going to go back to another one. It's F0/0. So we want to be quick again in here. So we're going to address as the host to be 6, 10.27.6, 255.255.0, and then say again, if you want to shut down and no shutdown. Okay. So now, you see, if we go to show log in here, see, show log on the router. Now you see it's clean now. It's no more complaint. Okay. So now the message error is already resolved. It's already go away. Okay. So don't bother us anymore. All right. So now we have a quiet again. Thanks God. So we fixed the error message in here. All right. So now let's write it first again. Quick. So let's continue now. We quick. We fight with the time. So this one in here. Show IP interface. Do we fix this one here? Yeah, we have a 1777. That's good. And then show IP BGP summary. Okay, so what is the complaint in here earlier? You see in here, they say about the AS number. All right, so we set the AS number, and then what is the peer is the wrong AS number. Okay, the wrong AS number. Now we show in here which one is the wrong AS number. Show run section BGP. So we have a 55555, and then we have the peer with which one? Peer with first we have a two peer. Okay, so we check by one by one. So let's check. We're facing the Google first. So Google is 81201, right? So this is a Google neighbor 156 here. We make sure if we happy or not. Show run section BGP here. Okay, so Google is 15169. If we go to here, is matching or not? 15169. Yeah, this should be good, right? This should be good. And then the bottom one, the remote AS here is to be 45678. How about in here? So what we have in here? Oh, show run again. Section router BGP. Oh, we didn't have anything yet. Oh, we didn't configure it yet. Okay, so that's fine. All right, so we make this one is up first now. So okay, show IP BGP summary. All right. So now see we only have one. Why we only have a one pair? We should have a two pair, right? Do we have a let's review? Oh, we don't have yet. Yeah, we don't have that. Right. So we go to config T in here. So router BGP. So this is the AS number for Google. We hit enter. Okay, we're going to be neighbor. What is our neighbor? Our neighbor should be this one. Should be 68.81.201.7. Okay, so what is the remote AS number? Okay, so the AS number, go back to Comcast here. So we use this is Comcast. So we go to here, and then we tell description. This is the BGP is connect to Comcast ISP. Okay, so now let's check again. Show IP BGP. Make sure it's up or not. Okay, it's active. Send active hello. Okay, from idle active, and then You see, right? Shouldn't take so long like this, right? Because we have a direct connect, it should be quick, you know. Okay, so what is the issue in here? What we should check in here, right? So this is how you're troubleshooting about BGP. When you came across is something the pair is not working, right? The first thing you want to ping, make sure, or TCP that the port, you know, we don't have anything ACL yet in here, right? So we just go straight ping. So our neighbor, this IP here, make sure I can ping first. Yeah, I can ping. All right, so I can ping, and then because I make sure I ping from, yeah, you see, and then go back to the Comcast again. Comcast say, okay, the Comcast here show IP interface brief, right? So now we're going to be ping .8. Yeah. So both is, see. So this link between in here, we have a network connectivity, you know, in the layer 1 and layer 2, right? So now why the BGP not form in here? So they not shake hand, they're not happy. So what else could be the issue now? So this is another challenge for us tonight. See we can how quick, you know, we can fix it. Okay. So let's check again in here because earlier because we know we have a message about the AS number is not right. So show run again in here. Show run section in here, right? BGP in here. You see? See? Now it somehow since this is the lab anyway, I give you another command so you can debug. You see, you can debug again, right? You can debug BGP. You just curious. What kind of like issue, right? Just say debug or BGP or something like this. Just make sure it's no debug or like this. That's going to be crash your router. Okay. Never put this command debug or. Okay. So this in here, say IP4. If you want, if sometimes if by accident something like that, show BGP in here. If you say IPv4, right? So this is anything else. Yeah, you want a unicast. Okay, just hit enter. So let's see any oh, you see? Okay, we got something in here. See? Okay, so it's active, open, is fail. You see? This is how we're learning. Okay, and also we can send this log to if we have a SNMP server in here or we have a like a syslog server, we can send all the log to the like a syslog server. All right, so now what? Okay, so do quick in here. Just say okay, unall. I want to turn off the debug command in here. So we try see. Let's see if we can read line by line in here. So what is comparing? Okay, so 68.80 open fail. 81. Yeah, we don't have this one yet. Okay, so we're looking for 81.201, right? Do you see 201 in here? Hmm? Do you see 201? We don't have a 201.
No.
Okay, let's try again. Why we don't see a 201? All right, let's give some time. So this link is keep sending. You see, but why this link is not keep sending? Right? You see, because we know that this is not running because we don't have a configuration yet on the internet router 2. You see? All right. All right. So okay, that's fine. Let's turn on the debug again. So, because we uh from 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 our network engineer, right? First thing, okay, we do like basic troubleshooting first. Okay, make sure we have a connectivity between this link in here, right? So because we have to able to ping or for the BGP TCP section, open, right? Because we don't have an ACL or firewall. Sometimes if we have a firewall, you need to open the BGP section, the allow rule. Okay. So we don't have yet in here, right? So let's verify again. Make sure I can ping the other side. This is the Google. Google should be using the .8. So, okay, first thing, you put the check mark now. We're confident now. We have no issue in here. If this is no issue in here, must be something wrong in the configuration, or maybe mistypo, something like that. All right. So run again section in here. So BGP. So let's see review. We interest in 201. So first thing should be neighbor. Do you see what is the issue in here? Tell me. Come on, come on, tell me. What is the issue here? Hello?
Uh,
Come on, quick. What is the issue here? That's what I'm saying. Do we have a misconfiguration? Just forget this two line. What do we have configuration wrong?
what one is configure 1.15169, but the BGP is going to Google instead.
Okay. And then see, we're still in the Comcast router. See, we're still in the Comcast router, right? When I show IP interface brief, this is the IP address assigned in the Comcast router, right? But this here, compared with this one here, what is the issue? Come on, come on. Ha 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 ha. Do you practice again? This is easy. You still don't get it?
All right, set my answer.
What is the answer? If I
Because
if for example, if you're the network engineer right now, right? You by reviewing here, you tell me how to fix it. I type for you. Okay. You feel confident now how to fix it?
no.
Okay, good. Okay. First thing, we look at that here. What does mean neighbor? If this is the neighbor IP, no, this is this is our IP. Agree? That is misconfiguration. This neighbor, it should be Google IP, right? So go back to Google IP. See here, Google IP should be .8. you got you got it, my friend.
Yes.
Okay, no big deal. Yeah, no big deal. That's why when you when you do more, you will you because it's nothing shame or nothing shy or something like that. I don't want to go for that one, you know what I mean? Because you compare, I'm working for the Cisco stuff, for 20 years, more than 30 years, every day in the command line, you know what I mean? Okay, so we go to here again, router BGP 555. So we're going to be fix this one here first, right? So first thing we want to take in here. So we're going to be say no that is being removed. Just make sure when you remove, okay, make sure before you hit enter. When you put no, make sure when you hit enter, make sure you grab the correct one, because you don't want to kill the good one. Okay, and then once you good, everything okay, that is the correct that I want to remove, and then just hit enter. So you're going to be remove it. Now you copy and paste again in here. You want to change it now, this one to 8. You see? Okay, so that is a mistypo. So that is the correct one. Neighbor to the Google, the remote IP, the BGP, the remote IP should be 208.8. So we hit enter. Okay. So now we're going to put the description again, right? So this is this is the description. Oh, look at that! It's up already. You see, so beautiful. right? That's why it's up already. That's good. Let's see. I was oh, I'll try to put the description again. Hold on. Dot 8 description. Copy and paste in here. Google. Okay, so now show IPBGP summary. Okay, beautiful. Look at that. So now we have a BGP up between Google and Comcast, right? And also the Comcast router is already verified. See, we got six. We got six. Okay, so we got six prefix in here. So we show IPBGP. Yeah, look at this. Beautiful. You see, right? And also in here, I can ping 8.8.8 now. Beautiful. Look at that. So now, if you go back to the Google again, just to verify the Google, so what else did we learn from Comcast router, right? We should be learned from 6881.1, right? Because see, right now we don't have a .1 yet, right? Because we should be now the BGP is up, we should be learning. So IPBGP again in here. Yep. So now it's received also. You see. So now, beautiful now, between this, okay, we fix this one first now, we quick, right? So we save it again in here. So hopefully we keep the configuration for next lab. Okay, so now we're good in here. So also we verify can ping 8.8.8 of that Google IP address. Okay, now we go back to the Wilmington here router. Okay, right. Okay, show IPBGP here. Show IPBGP summary. Just click in here. Oh, come on. Oh, doesn't have active yet. Okay. No configure yet. Show router BGP. Yeah, you see nothing. Okay. So okay. So now we have a show IP interface. Brief. Yep. We have a 2 is up. Okay. So we do click in here. So we're going to be a router BGP. Okay, because this is our internet router, right? Because we own the public AS number. So let's go back to here because we want to advertise same with the AS number. It's coming from ABC company. So what is this 45678? Okay, so we're going to highlight again 45678 in here. Now we go back to here again to the no to the Wilmington here. Okay, that's internet router 2. So now we're going to be neighbor to Comcast. Comcast to be this one here. So we just change the host to 7. And then the remote AS. Okay, what is for Comcast AS number again? Oh, it should be 555 something like that, right? So just verify again. Show run section router BGP. So we're going to grab this correct AS number for Comcast. So let's go back to here again. So we put here, right? So now we're going to be description again. So we're going to be description. This is going to be BGP to Comcast ISP. Good. Okay, so now see in here. Okay, so now we show IPBGP summary. Yes, we got 7. You see again, right? So we got 7 in here. She's so beautiful, right? So now, we show again in here. She show IPBGP. Show no. We want the first thing in here. Show IPBGP again, right? Now, because remember from the last video that we demoed, because this is too noisy, right? Because this is our internet router, so we want to be. Oh wait, should be good. I think this one, because this one should be received is only the default route. Okay, we'll leave it in here first, right? Okay, so far so good now. So can we ping in here now? Okay, we don't have a loopback yet, right? Because we need to create a loopback, right? So let me see again because we want to use the same. Let me see here. So this one here, right? So show IP interface brief in here. So we have a loopback. Show run the loopback interface. This one, because this is also we own our private internet IP address. All right, so this is our public IP address. So now the same thing, the people, they're going to be see the traffic. If we want to go out to the internet, we're going to be over net. Okay, so over net to be this IP, right? So, all right. So let me see. So maybe we 1.2. Okay, so we're going to change this one here. So we're going to same loopback interface IP here. Let's click in here. So we're going to first thing, we're going to reconfig here again in here. We create a loopback interface. Okay, that is for our private interface IP. All right, so now we go back to internet router here. So we copy here. All right, so now we go back to the where is it? Should be internet router here. Yep, so this is here. Now we can say use .2 here. Okay, so because this is the it's just for now. Okay, just for now. You see, we don't want to enable the IP net inside. Not yet, not ready yet. Just want to go basic first. Make sure we have everything in here going out, right? Because we're not ready yet for our inside. Send the traffic to here. So now in here, okay, so we have a loop back in here. Let's exit out again. Show IP interface brief. You see, now we want to ping. You see, now we want to ping 8.8.8. We want to ping 8.8.8 source from this IP now. Just make sure this loopback interface we can. Mm, 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 mm.
Mm.
You know why? You know why?
No.
Because see, go back to Google, right? Because go back to Google. How Google learn it? You see, when I show IP interface here, see, when I show IP interface, when I show IP BGP again, you see, how Google learn? You see, Google learn is via 173 is from Verizon. You see, Google learns our IP from Verizon. That's why when we ping the traffic from here, go out to Comcast, go out to here, but then in the Google router from the BGP here, the table, so the Google router say, I need to send it back. The only know I know how to get back to uh, our IP, right? Our IP in here, and I have to be go this one in here. But then in here, you see, we don't have a ready yet in here, so that's why we don't have a return traffic. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
So then how we resolve it now, right? Because how we want to resolve it, right? Because and also say this link is go down because the Comcast is going to be we're going to send to the Comcast and Comcast help us to advertise that our public internet IP go out to the internet, go out to the world. Okay, so now in here, same thing now, since we already have in the router interface 2 here, we already assign our, the same thing in here, we need to advertise from the Comcast router, right? So first thing in here, you see in here, show, okay, show run section router BGP. Okay, so now we go to config T again in here. So we go to we go into here. All right. So in here, you see. All right. So now we hit enter. Okay. So now we're going to be advertise our network. So we're going to advertise that 64.12.12.0 match because we own /24 public internet IP address.